Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Time, your cozy place to learn English through everyday stories. My name is David.
And I'm Grace. Hi, everyone. Today, oh my goodness, I am so excited because, listen. Shh. Do you hear that?
Yes, that sound is rain. We decided to use a soft rain sound today because our topic is perfect for weather like this.
Exactly. Today's topic is a rainy day at home. A slow, peaceful, cozy kind of day.
You'll learn a lot of useful English vocabulary and phrases for describing your day, your feelings, and your home. And we'll share a very natural conversation, just like talking with friends.
So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's enjoy a relaxing English lesson together.
Now, talking about the feeling of a rainy day. Grace, let me ask you a question. When you wake up in the morning and you hear rain outside, how do you feel?
Honestly, I feel happy. Really happy. Rainy mornings make me feel peaceful. You know that moment when you open your eyes, the room is still a little dark, and you hear the soft sound of rain tapping on the window?
Yes, that soft tap, tap, tap sound.
Exactly. That sound is like a big, warm hug for my brain.
A hug for your brain. I like that. For me, rainy mornings make me move slower. Usually, I wake up quickly, jump out of bed. But on rainy days, I don't want to move at all.
Because your bed becomes too comfortable?
Yes, my blanket feels warmer, my pillow feels softer, and my room feels cozy.
Cozy is a great word to learn. Cozy means comfortable in a warm, safe, soft way.
Right. A rainy morning is cozy. A big, soft blanket is cozy. A room with warm lights is cozy.
Okay, David, so the rain is falling, you are still in bed. What do you do first?
The very first thing, I look at the window. Not my phone, the window. I like to see the color of the rain. Sometimes it's dark gray, sometimes light gray, sometimes the trees look shiny and wet.
Wow, that sounds poetic. For me, the first thing I do is I pull the blanket over my head.
You hide.
Yes, because I want 5 more minutes of sleep. Just 5. But always, always, those 5 minutes become 20 minutes.
Yes. Rain is dangerous. It makes people sleepy.
But in a nice way.
All right, you finally get out of bed. What next?
I walk to the kitchen and I make something warm to drink. On rainy days, I always want something warm, like a cup of tea or hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. That sounds perfect. I usually make coffee. Dark coffee, no milk.
No milk? On a rainy day? That's too serious for me.
I like strong coffee. But sometimes, on very rainy days, I make something special.
Ooh, what?
Ginger tea with honey.
Oh, that feels like a warm hug for the body.
It does. It warms my chest.
Okay, so we have our warm drinks. What next?
On rainy days, I move slowly. So I sit near the window, I hold my cup with both hands, I listen to the rain, and watch people walking with umbrellas.
Umbrellas the same color?
No, all colors. Red, blue, black, yellow. Some people walk fast because they hate the rain. Some walk slowly because they enjoy it. I like watching that. What about you? What do you do after your hot chocolate?
I clean.
You clean? On a rainy morning?
Yes, rain gives me cleaning energy.
You're very strange.
No, listen. When it rains outside, my home feels extra cozy, and I want it to be clean and fresh. So I play soft music and clean my living room.
That actually sounds nice. Like a productive rainy day.
Exactly.
Now, we are talking about rainy day activities. Next question. What do you usually do on a rainy day at home?
Oh, so many things. Let me tell you my top 3 activities.
All right, I'm ready.
1. Watching a cozy movie. I love watching movies on rainy days, but only cozy movies.
What is a cozy movie?
Something simple, warm, comforting, like a comedy or a romantic movie with soft lighting, or a feel-good animated movie.
Ah, nothing scary.
No horror when it's raining. The sound of rain makes scary movies even scarier.
Good point.
2. Reading a book. I sit on my sofa with my blanket and read a book. Rainy days are perfect for reading.
What kind of books?
Soft stories. Something emotional. Something calm. Not big, dramatic mysteries.
Why?
Because my brain is too relaxed to think hard on rainy days. 3. Cooking something warm. Rainy days equal warm food. Soup, noodles, toast. Something that smells good in the kitchen.
Yes. Rain and soup are best friends.
What about you, David? What activities do you enjoy on a rainy day?
My answer is very different from yours.
Okay, tell me.
1. Listening to music. I have big headphones, comfortable ones, and on rainy days, I put them on, lie on the sofa, and close my eyes.
Ooh, yes, that sounds amazing. What kind of music?
Soft jazz, piano music, sometimes old songs from the 1970s. Rainy days make me feel nostalgic.
Same. Rain gives the heart extra feelings.
2. Writing.
Writing what?
Little thoughts, memories, ideas. Rain makes my brain feel more reflective.
Ah, yes. Rain plus thinking equals perfect combination.
3. Doing nothing. Sometimes I simply relax. I sit, I breathe, I listen to the rain. I don't want to watch, read, write, or move. Just be.
That is beautiful, actually.
Rain teaches us to slow down.
Now, let's talk about the home itself. David, how does your home change on a rainy day?
Oh, my home becomes a completely different place on rainy days.
Tell me.
The lights become warmer. I don't use bright white lights. I use warm yellow lights. My home feels like a small coffee shop.
A David coffee shop.
Yes, and I light a candle.
What scent?
Vanilla or cinnamon, something warm.
Yes, rainy days need warm smells.
And I put on big socks, thick socks.
Rain socks.
Exactly, rain socks.
My home also changes. I open my curtains so I can see the rain. I turn on a small lamp near my sofa. The room becomes soft, quiet, gentle, like a little reading nest.
A reading nest. That is perfect.
How is the afternoon mood?
There's something magical about rainy afternoons.
Yes, the world feels slower, softer, like time is moving carefully.
Exactly. Rainy afternoons feel like the world is saying, it's okay, take your time.
So what do you do in the afternoon?
I usually take a nap.
Oh, yes, rain naps are the best naps.
You sleep deeper.
Do you use a blanket?
Of course. And I put my phone far away.
Good. Phones destroy naps.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I like to cook something slow, like a soup that takes 1 or 2 hours.
Soup that cooks slowly tastes better.
Yes, the smell fills the whole home.
Rain outside, warm soup inside. That's heaven. Now let's talk about the evening. Rainy evenings are my favorite.
Mine too. The rain becomes heavier, the outside becomes darker, but inside we become cozier.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I turn on a movie or a series, something light, something fun. I sit on my sofa with snacks,
Snacks? What snacks?
popcorn, or hot chocolate with marshmallows, or a warm cookie.
Oh, wow. You know how to enjoy life.
Yes, rainy evenings are for comfort.
I usually take a long, warm shower.
Ooh, yes, that's so relaxing.
And then I put on my pajamas early. Rainy evenings make me go to bed early.
Me too. Rain feels like a lullaby.
Rainy days are not just about weather. They are about feelings. Slowing down, relaxing, taking care of yourself.
Yes, and they are great for learning English because you can listen to podcasts like this one while relaxing at home.
Exactly. So, friends, we want to ask you,
What do you do on a rainy day at home? Do you watch movies? Do you read? Do you cook something warm? Do you take a nap?
tell us in the comments. Writing in English is great practice.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Time for more cozy and fun English lessons.
Thank you so much for spending this rainy moment with us.
Stay warm, stay cozy.
And see you next time.